Welcome back to another Inspire Reviews video. You guys cannot tell me this is not one of the best absolute gifts to get for anybody out in the family, friends, maybe even for yourself. Let's go and get this thing open so you guys know exactly what you're going to get in the inside. So first off, you guys get an instruction manual. I'm a man, so I don't read instruction manuals. But look at this right here. First off, you guys get a nice little protective case. Look at this thing. Very nice. You like the actual slick modern design? I think the toothbrush is actually in here. Yeah, look at that. It does come with two heads in the inside. I think there are some more in the inside as well. So look at this. There are multiple settings to use on this toothbrush. Let's actually get this thing on. You have a clean, white, polish sensitive, and gum control. Press this thing right here. Oh my goodness. You use this right here to actually change the settings, I think. Let me see. Do you hold it down? It changes. I'm actually not sure. I should have read the instructions, but there are so many settings to use. Very nice actual gum control for the toothbrush. This most definitely is going to be my travel case whenever I go on vacation because very nice, you guys. Now, this right here is some top tier, high quality stuff. It comes with its own charger. You guys can actually set your toothbrush on top of the charger, so you don't even have to leave it out. Set it on top of this thing, it'll stand up straight. But on top of that, it comes with its own plug-in. I don't even see things these days come with a plug-in. Usually they only come with a USB. It came with its own plug-in. So you guys can even use this thing to charge your phone. It even comes with 4 actual extra toothbrush heads, individually wrapped. So that's very nice. It's very sanitary as well. But if you guys have been keeping up with trends all over all the other social media pages, people love water flossers. So look at this. You guys get a nice little clean. You guys can actually clean it out very nicely. Everything is individually wrapped. You guys get your own little water flosser heads. There are multiple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside, I'm pretty sure. But let's get this actual water flossers out because this thing is insane. I mean, if you guys have not used a water flosser, let me tell you, these right here are the literal things that are going to take over floss, like regular string floss, which it already has. I mean, I love the water flosser. Look at this thing. Very nice, slick design. Very modern. So you guys can actually open it up. The water's going to go down there at the bottom. Boom. You actually fill it up with water. And then once you guys fill it up, guess what? You guys can literally have an actual water flosser with so many different modes. I mean, you guys have a high, normal, soft, low, and pulse. My favorite is the actual pulse mode. Let me show you guys. All you do is you simply just connect one of these actual water picks at the top. Boom, just like that. And then actually, once you guys fill the water up, you'll just press it, turn it on. I don't have any water in there, but you guys can imagine. All you do is just take it. And if you need to change the setting, I love the pulsing setting. Boom, that's all you guys gotta do. After you finish, you guys can literally just throw it out. You guys are good to go. Absolutely amazing. You have a part to put the water down there at the bottom, or you guys can open it and just put the water inside just like that. Easy to clean. You guys get the little cleaning brush. You guys, this is going to be the perfect pack for a gift for somebody else, for yourself, or maybe just take care of your own dental health. You guys check this thing out. I absolutely love it.